Good afternoon, everyone. I am K. Sumuk Ediar, and my teammates are Kiran V, Kiran Prasad, Manjunath K.S. We are here to give a presentation on Project Job Portal, which comes under the category of external project, under the guidance of Assistant Professor Bhavya Ma'am. Now, let me give an introduction to our project. Job Portal is a platform that joins recruiter and the job seeker to complete their goals and requirements. Recruiter looks for a right candidate who has the right qualification to handle the responsibilities efficiently. Sending job application through job portal is quicker way to get the right candidate. Job portal is an online job search portal, a web application through which job seeker can register, apply for a job. Even companies or employer who are in search of employees can also post their jobs and review the application. The traditional recruitment
Sorry,
system are
sorry for interruption. Sumuk, sorry for interruption. Is it recording the session?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, fine. You continue.
okay, ma'am. Introdu- Job portal is an online job search portal, a web application through which job seeker can register, apply for a job, and even companies or employer who are in search of employees can also post their jobs and review application. The traditional recruitment system are time-taking and costly. A job seeker must find job through advertisement, college fairs, job fairs, etc. And the companies or employers who are hiring candidate must put in much effort to find the right candidate at the vacant position. And coming to campus placement of the institution can find companies and inviting them to come over and take a recruitment activities in their campus. Institution can update about their academic results, placement activities, etc. in their profile to attract the companies. Companies can also post whether they conduct campus recruitment or not. If they conduct, what are all the requirements needed for an institution will also be posted, and institution who are interested in can request the companies about the visiting institution. The application is a convenient platform for job seeker to find and apply for a job. Companies to post jobs for institution to invite companies for their campus placement with much easy. Next, motivation. As we can see, a lot of unemployment graduates suffer after they don't get placed in the recruitment process, which is being organized by the college, and they will tired to finding job through advertisement, visiting each companies, etc. Knowing about a company, knowing what kind of qualification and recruitments requirements they want for a position is always so much time taking for freshers. Thinking about the company side, they come across the difficulties in finding right person with all the skill set qualifications needed for their post. And several institutions finding difficulties in the finding companies and inviting them to come over and take the recruitment activities in their campus. Our main motivation is to overcome this problem by developing an user-friendly web application for job seeker, company and institution where all the details are in one place and saves a lot of time. Next, existing systems, project description and proposed system are explained by Kiran B.
Thank you, Sumak. I will continue the presentation with existing system. Talking about the traditional way, a job seeker must find jobs through print media like poster advertisement, newspapers, and visual media like television or company website for employment opportunities. This is a tedious task as it takes a lot of time and energy to search for the right job position, learn about the position and about the company. Job seekers can also find jobs through job fairs where they first make it possible to attend the fairs, which might be sometimes impossible with their schedules, and if they visit the fairs, they must hand over paper printed resumes. The more the number of candidates, the more the number of papers for the company, which is a lot of manual effort. Such an outdated systems are replaced by several well-featured job search portals like Monster, LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed, etc. Even though we already have a job portals like this, we are developing our own system and adding some additional features other than the existing system. Talking about the proposed system, coming to the proposed system, in our system we aim at reducing the challenges by providing advanced search features that gives candidate ample scope to select jobs that match their skill set requirements and gives them back the exact jobs that are available. This in turn is less time taking as the candidate get all the details in one place and do not have to go for company website to learn about the position. Even it's easy for companies to select the right candidate for their job post from the list of applied candidates and invite them for further recruitment process. Also, companies can select the right institution which fulfills their requirements out of other requested institution and contact them for further recruitment process. For every institution, there will be a placement officer who manages all the placement activity and is the one who invite companies for recruitment, campus recruitment. To invite the companies, he should send a mail or visit every company in person and discuss with HRs about his institution and need to wait for their response. This process is so much time taking and costly. So in our project, we are making this entire process online where a placement officer who represents his institution can request many companies which are ready for campus recruitment. And he no need to request for those companies which does not match with the requirements. If a company approves his request, he can interact with the company directly to give more information about his institution and schedule the visiting. In our system, there will be a admin who approves the companies and institution before they create an account in our portal. Next, project description. In our system, we'll provide a login page for admin where he can approve company and institution which are requested for creating an account, and he can manage the database. Talking about job seeker will be provided with account creation feature, and after creating an account, he can log in with his login credential and he can update his profile by uploading his profile picture, resume, and uploading his eligibility, exam marks, achievement, skill set, etc. And he can apply for multiple jobs. He can delete his account if he needed. Coming to the company will must register themselves before they create an account in our portal, and after that they can log in with their login credential. They can update their profile with their milestone achievements, and they can post multiple job post, number of candidates they needed, and they can search based on the skill set, etc. And they can interact with the job seeker or institution which they accept their request, and they can delete their account if they needed. And talking about institution account creation is same as the company, and they can log in with their login credential and update their profile with overall academic results, previous year placements, and whether they have got NBA accreditation or not. These are all they can update in their profile, and they can request the company for campus recruitment process. And after the company accept their request, they can interact with the company directly, and they can delete their account if they need it. And further topics will be explained by our teammate Kiran Prasad. Over to you, Kiran Prasad.
Thank you, Kiran. Good afternoon, everyone. Let's see the project objectives. To help job seekers to search the job based on the qualification, skill set, and apply the jobs. To help the job seekers to attract the companies by updating profile with resume, profile photo, qualification, skill set, etc. If the job seeker can meet all the qualification of the job post by the company, he may call for further process of recruiting. To help company register, make up their profile and post for the job vacancy. Company can approve candidates who have applied for the job post and continue their further process of recruiting. Placement officer who represent the institution can make his institution account and send request to the company to contact placement in the college. Company can also respond to back to the institution based on the request sent by the placement officer. Next, functional requirement. System provide registration and login for company, job seekers, and institution. Admin checks and approve the company and institution registration. Job seekers can view all the available jobs based on his role, salary, grade, and geographical area. Job seeker can update his profile by adding his qualification, certification, etc. Job seeker will get notified when company checks his proposal and notified where the company accept or reject his profile. Company can post multiple jobs. Institution can send requests for the companies about visiting their college for placement. Companies will get notified when some institution requests them or some candidates apply for their post. The remaining concept will explain by Manjunath KS.
Thank you, Kiran Prasad. Now I'm going to explain about the non-functional requirements. The website will ensure the security through several form validation and the password encryptions. The website will pop up certain error messages when encountered. The application is made more scalable with advanced search feature that filters and delivers the request data. The website will maintain the privacy of the end user without any data breach. Violating the protocols and misuse of the system will not be entertained, and certain action will be taken. Next, modules. The interaction between these modules is depicted using the use case diagram. The job portal system can be divided into 4 sub-modules, that is an admin, job seeker, institution, and company module. Coming to admin module, admin should log into his account using the login credential and he will provide with the list of institutions and companies which are requested for registration. Admin one will access to the database. Coming to the company module, like a new company which still do not have an account in our website must go through the registration process. After registration, company can log in through its login credential. After logging in, company can update its profile, post job vacancies, and can post the requirement needed for the institution for campus visit. In job seeker module, if the job seeker is a new user, then he must create his account and can log in into his account. Job seeker can update his profile, search the jobs, and apply for jobs. He can able to delete his account if he needed. In institution module, account creation is same as the company registration process, where admin approves the request, and an institution can update the profile request for companies to visit them, and institution will be able to delete his account if they want to. Next, hardware and software. Hardware, any PC with compatible with XAMPP and software operating system Windows 7, 8, 10, and front-end HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. Backend PHP and MySQL. Server XAMPP server. Thank you.
Okay. Soumya ma'am, if you have any, you can ask ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay. First of all, is it for the degree pursuing students, or is it can it be used for others also? This job portal application.
Ma'am, we are making it for any graduates, ma'am. Like engineering, BCom.
Okay, my question is there will be many students who are already passed out from the institution, from the colleges, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
can they apply? Can they make use of this application?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
When
so then how?
when
Yes, continue.
ma'am, you are asking something.
Yeah, that's what. If that is the case, then how it will be handled? I mean, the interaction, how it will be handled, because there is a institution login also, and also the job seeker separate profile, and also for company profile we have different one. How the interaction process will take place in such cases?
Ma'am, for students who have already graduated, we'll mention the passed out year, ma'am, for them.
Okay.
So company can get to know that information.
Okay, so company will get to know that he has graduated from this college
Yes,
and
in this year.
this year, like that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the role of institution here?
Ma'am, institution means behind a placement officer represent the institution. Ma'am.
Okay.
He will create an account representing the institution, and he can contact the company and invite them for campus placements, which is held in college.
Okay. In existing, how what is the drawback in the existing system now?
And the main drawback is placement officer must send a mail or need to visit the company in person, ma'am. It is time taking, ma'am. That's the drawback.
Okay. So what do you think? Like visiting the company, why does the placement officer visit the company?
Ma'am, to invite them for their college placements.
Is it only for that purpose? He could have he or she could have invited through mail only, right?
Ma'am, if there is, ma'am, other ma'am, time taking. That's if they didn't see the mail or they respond late, like that.
No, come on, man. Companies ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ company people they will be active through emails and also through phone calls. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಆಯ್ತು, but justify in other way, because you said that the placement officer will visit the company. You said like that. Yeah,
Yes,
definitely. The placement officer will visit the company, but the reason is different. The intention is different. Not just to invite the company people for the placement. It's not just for that. So you justify it in other way.
ma'am. In one day, you can request for many companies using our website instead of visiting each company.
Okay. Okay, currently there are so many job portals are available in the market. Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
how different will be your job portal application?
That's ma'am. The key main feature we're adding is the institution login.
Institutional login.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, okay, institutional login. Okay, what will be the interaction or the relationship between the institution login and also the job seeker profiles who are still studying in the institution?
Yeah, they are different, ma'am. Institution means placement officer comes, ma'am.
Okay.
He can
See, for
mention.
let us consider one scenario. For example, you are studying in 6th semester as of now. So
Yes,
you have one your account will be considered as a job seeker account for this job portal application, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
For
At the
create.
same time, yeah. At the same time, our institution will also have institution account, that is MIT account.
Yes, ma'am.
So MIT, that institution account will invite some company, for example, XYZ company, to the college.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what will be the relationship between the institution account and also the job seekers? Because you are studying in the same institution, the institution is inviting XYZ company to the college. Ultimately, you will be the beneficiary for that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So how is it associated?
Ma'am, we'll mention. We'll add a feature like job seeker can mention the institution studying.
Of
Otherwise,
course,
we'll.
you will be having that option, right? Institution like ಯಾವ
Yes, ma'am.
ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್.
ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋರಿಗೆ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಅದು ಕೆಲವು ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಅದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಇದು ಕೆಲವ್ದು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಸೀಕರ್ಸ್.
ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ಸೊ ಆಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ತರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆದಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಾನೇ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು? ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನೀವು? ನೀವೀಗ ಹೇಳಿದೇನಪ್ಪಾ, ಲೈಕ್ ಈಗ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಅವರು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವ್ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಸೀಕರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇಂದಾನೇ ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
ಹಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಹಂಗೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Okay, you are planning to create this job portal application, well and good, because this is most ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನಿಂಗ್ ಇದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದಾನೆ. ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟೈಮು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನ, ಈ ತರ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನು, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಯುವರ್ ಗೈಡ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ರೈಟ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎನಿಬಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್, ರೈಟ್?
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ಆಯ್ತು, ಬೇರೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಎನ್ಶೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಾ?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಇದ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದಾಗ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಯೂಸರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್? You have mentioned the system requirements, hardware and software requirements. What would be the user requirements for your application?
Ma'am, you should have a valid email login credit for login.
No, not ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಆಪ್, ರೈಟ್? ಆಂಡ್ರಾಯ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
No, ma'am. Website.
ವೆಬ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದು?
Yes, ma'am.
ಸೊ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು, ಯಾವ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೌಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಪ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಏನು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಯೂಸರ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Okay.
ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಡೇಟಾ ಫ್ಲೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಂದು ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ma'am.
Because mainly you deal with the data in your application, because job seekers in the data ಬರುತ್ತೆ, institution level data ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and also company related data. So you could have add that DFD ನ add ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Consider.
Okay, ultimately after this presentation ನಾನು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, have some clarity. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, you have not
Yes, ma'am. We were thinking for only graduates, ma'am. Who are already studied in this institution, passed out.
So if that is the case, ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋಸ್, ಏನೇನ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೇನ್ ಸಿನಾರಿಯೋಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಥಿಂಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ. ಓಕೆ?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
ಗೈಡ್ ಜೊತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನ ಅದೇನಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That's all from my end. Thank you.
Kiran.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kiran, I have some inputs. Shall I, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes. Please.
Okay. So only Kiran is conveying the information. What about others?
Sir, others are there. They can also.
Anyhow, but as Madam has suggested, think and discuss with your guide. And that is one of the approach to get an idea.
Yes, sir.
Second approach is you need to compare with other websites. You have to go through different websites and you have to identify different types of approaches, what they are for optimizing the resources and all. By seeing the others website only, you will get an idea as well as
Yes.
thinking capability. And whatever you are thinking will be fitting to some standard by seeing the other websites. So you have to monitor the universities, how they have been used for getting placement activities and other things, as well as you need to go for the top colleges, top 10 colleges, like that. You need to go through the websites, different websites, and you have to identify the attributes, what are the attributes they have.
They'll get more requirements from the placement officer also, sir.
uh,
We need to contact.
Options of getting the requirements,
Yes, sir.
getting the requirements. Okay.
Okay.
Like other,
Thank you, sir.
Just few points to what Lokesh sir has specified. See, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಯುನೀಕ್. ಬೇರೆದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಮೀಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಬೇರೆ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಇರ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಸರ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೇರೆದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್, ಜಾಬ್ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಸ್ ನ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Okay, ma'am.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Kiran,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, pa, you take the suggestion from yours also. So we'll discuss on it. Actually, we discussed, and even I gave the suggestion like that also, right? So you need to go through all the other job portal websites. Then you have to get the suggestions like what are all the addition you can put into your portal or application, what you are going to develop. Okay, so you just have to go through those website, job portal websites. Then you can update what are all the requirements you need. And I also said have to include like national level test ranking, that and all you have to include in your application, right? So that you didn't explain.
Ma'am, I mentioned in the